Ken Vane, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. I want to tell you all about flooded basements. I had a client who came in, they had to rip out all the luxury vinyl plank in the basement because the water meter leaked. Took everything out. I went to look at the basement, looked at everything, and I had questions. Are you worried about having any water problems in the future? Have you had any other water problems in the past? And when we were talking about it, we realized that there was a risk of future water problems. So I said, no, you don't want a click-together vinyl plank floor because the water can go underneath. You have really two choices. You can go with a glue-down vinyl plank product, or you can go with porcelain tile, which is about twice as expensive, but you'll never have a problem with water again. The point of the story is when I go into a situation, especially a basement where customers have had a problem, we want to find out not only what the situation is now, but what it might be in the future. We will ask those questions and we will find the right product for you. That's a little bit about basements and floods. Ken Vane, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.